Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make table in Google Docs with different columns. So get ready started. At first, open a docs file. Firstly, create a table and going to the insert menu option and click for the table option and create a table. Then show the create table is different columns and firstly first column is select and going to the more option and click for the background color option, then choose color. So again second column select and going to the more menu option and click for the background color option, then choose color. And again three columns select and going to the background color option and choose color. And again second column option select and click for the background color option and click for the choose color. Then we show the weight Google Docs with table and different columns in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.